Hey guys, this is Josh of Basic Value, and for today, we are going to be teaching you the easiest and the best way to create gravity in Scratch. So, first block is this. Second, we are going to be doing the forever block, and then the if then block. After which, you're going to go to the not block. You want to go to the sensing, touching the trampoline. So, if the cat is not touching the trampoline, then obviously gravity would have its effect. We go to motion, change Y to -3, and then let's click this one. So if I pull this up, it falls down. Pull this on here, falls down. Pull this on here, it falls down. So that's how easy it is to create gravity in Scratch, and it's all up to you to modify this one so that it fits your project. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace out.